Okay, here's a problem that I made up that's very similar to the one you're supposed to solve for this section. It says Dr. Moreno runs 1 mile in 1/5 of an hour. Just as a side note, that's a 12-minute mile. How many miles does he run in an hour? So let's go ahead and do part A. So we want to know how many miles does he run in 1 hour? So what we're going to do is we're going to start by writing down 1 hour. And we know that he runs 1 mile in 1/5 of an hour. So we're going to put the 1/5 on the bottom. And he runs 1 mile. And what that's going to allow me to do is to cancel out hours because we want to have an answer that's given in miles. So we want to know how many miles. Okay, so then I've got 1 times 1, which is 1. And I'm going to keep the unit over here. And the hours cancel. So we're left with a 1/5 in the denominator. And you'll just have to go back and remember how to deal with these fractions. So this is the same as 1 divided by 1/5. It's mile. And I think we have more space over here. So I'm going to do the 1 times 5/1. So we multiply by the reciprocal. So it turns out to be 5 miles in 1 hour. All right, so then part B says, what is his speed in kilometers per hour? So we know that he's running at 5 miles in 1 hour. And you could look this up, but I've written it for us. There in 1 mile, there are 1.61 kilometers. And so we're going to go ahead and cancel miles. Now I've got to figure out what 5 times 1.61 is. And 5 times 1.61 is 8.05. So this is 8.05, and our units are in kilometers per hour. And that's his speed in kilometers per hour. And then C is just for fun. It says Dr. Moreno likes to tell people that he can run an 8 kilometers in an hour. Is he exaggerating his speed, being modest, or pretty close? Well, he's not going over his actual speed, so he's not exaggerating. He's not underestimating it by much either, so I would say he's pretty close. Okay, and that's how you do a problem like this, and it's very similar to the homework problem you have for this section.